Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am back in Asheville. Had a wonderful flight back from my Texas trip, hanging out with my sweet, dear friends, Jeremy and Lee Massey, darling, wonderful, talented Sarah Mack, and the lovely, kind, sweet, and beyond talented Mina Villegas. We had a blast, guys. We did a little of this and a little of that and got to know each other, got to learn from each other. And I am beyond grateful. So I'm back in my little studio and I'm ready to practice some of the things that I learned. I had a wonderful, wonderful lesson from each of them. And Sarah and Mina have taught me how to paint with thicker paints. I've always painted with thin paints. My paints are pretty much like water. I did thicken them up a little bit when I would do a ring pour, but not as thick as this, and it showed me that they showed me that I can have so much more control. So let's talk about what we're doing. We are working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. Our colors are already out. Our pouring medium today is mix pour and water. Now, I did put about 1/4 of an inch of GAC in the bottom of each of these cups before I added my paints. We're about 1/4 inch of GAC, 1 part paint, 1.5 parts mix pour, and water to consistency. What does that mean, water to consistency? It depends on the paints, guys, because every one of these paints is a different consistency, but it leaves a very fat mound on a mound on a mound. And I'm excited about these colors. Let's talk about these colors. In this cup right here, we have DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. In this cup right here, one of my favorite combinations, guys, is Golden Fluids Burnt Sienna and Golden Fluids, the Q word, Nickel Azo Gold. And yes, painting peeps, my good friends tried to teach me how to say that Q word many, many times without success. This cup right here, we have DecoArt Satin Enamels, and that is the Beige Neutral. All of these paints are mixed with the same pouring medium, a tiny squeeze of GAC 800, our mix pour, and different amounts of water depending on how thick the paints were. This right here is our Blick Acrylics, and that is in the Mars Black. That is also in this big cup, which we're going to use for our flow extender. And this paint is a little bit thinner. I added a little bit more water to that. This is an interesting color. I'm on the fence about it, but I have it and I'm going to use it. It's Lukas Studio Acrylics, and that's the brown ochre right there, guys. Lovely paints, those Lukas Studio Acrylics. Right here, this is a lovely paint. Thank you, Christina. This is Pourage Posse paints. This is the Military Green Shimmer. Christina does a good job with these paints, guys, and I added to it, just to kick it up a notch, some of the golden fluids in the iridescent bronze. So started off with this, added a squirt at a time of this until I got it to the color that I was hoping for. Final color is a beautiful color and very cost-effective paints, guys. This is Sargent Arts Acrylics, and it is their metallic bronze. Darling Julie Vatcher from Julie Vatcher's Art turned me on to those Sargent paints. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup. I'm going to practice what wonderful Mina and wonderful Sarah have taught me, and fingers crossed we have some good success, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling